This is the Auto Builder 2010 program. What we have here is I'm recording this on a digital camera. Due to the fact this is a DOS-driven program, it's for generic CAD 6, an old CAD program that a lot of people use still. It's a real good program, by the way. And this is basically a plug-in or an add-on program that builds cross-sections very rapidly. Okay, what we have here is the DOS screen. I've got a black background, so hopefully you can see it a little bit better. On the right is your standard menu, but it's been modified, and this is a custom menu that comes with this plug-in program. Over here we've got a help me, which we can pop up here and take a look at. Let's see, I can get you a pop-up screen there. You got some help me. Hopefully you can read that a little bit. You can see it real good actually in person on your computer. And then you go, it tells you basics what to do, and there's screens, help me screens on each one of these legs of this program. Then we come down here and it says set variables and set toggles, and you want to hit those every time, because what they do is they reset everything and clear out all your different variables and correctly set your toggles. And down here we've got Phoenix, Yavapai, Flag, Farmington, which represent basically frost depths in a lot of different regions of the country. Not all of them yet, but I'm working on that. So what we want to do is, you can see here, let's go down to Colorado. Frost depth is 32, so it says Colorado 32. We'll hit that. Then we want to go up and pick out what kind of stem we want. We can have a monolithic footing stem, we can have a cast stem, or we can have a cinder block stem, CMU. And it says 32 behind all those, let you know we're still in the Colorado loop. So we're going to go to a cinder block stem. Here we go. And we've got different footings. We've got 8 by 16 footings, 8 by 18s. We're going to go down here though to a 10 by 24 CMU stem wall, or 10 by 24 concrete footing with a CMU stem wall. So we're going to do that. Okay, then down here on the command line it asks you section width in feet, inches. So we're going to go 70 feet. Now we're going to hit enter, and as we do, it will take and place your two footings and stems at that distance apart. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to go to what kind of floor. Do we want a concrete floor or a wood floor? Well, the wood floor looks kind of cool when it does it, so we're going to go wood floor. And then we're going to come up here. Do we want the floor system? Do we want to take a shot parallel to the floor system or across the floor system? And we're going to go across because that really looks cool. And we're going to pick we've got what we have is TJIs on half and 11/7/8, or 2 by 8 Doug fir, 2 by 10, 2 by 12. We're going to go to 11/7/8 Doug fir, or 11/7/8 TJIs, excuse me. Okay, so now I'm going to hit that, and when I do, I'm going to pan over here so you can see it. It draws each one individually. So this thing can be any width you want, and it's totally custom. Calculates everything. There it goes. It's drawing each and every one of those in. Done. Let's go over. Now we want to pick a wall. We've got a lot of different walls. We've got 2 by 4 walls, 8 foot high, 2 by 6 walls, 8 foot high, same in 9 foot highs, and then we go into all 2 by 6 from 10 on up. But we're going to pick right here a 2 by 6 wall, 9 feet high. We'll pick that, and then I'm going to come over here so you can see it popping into place. And there it goes. There it is with its notes. Now we're going to come down back over here. Let's take a big look at the overall picture. We got our walls in place. We're going to come down to siding. Okay, we've got different types of siding here. Stucco over foam, stucco plywood foam, a board and bat, a reverse board and bat, a Tech 111, a lap siding, a hardy plank siding, TNG and siding, core tin, stone, and log. Log's pretty cool. Let's go pick out log. Okay, as soon as I click that, you'll see that placed right over in here. I hope you can see that. And there's your siding. It's hard to see. I wish I had better filming capabilities, but I don't. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick a roof system. Okay, let's see, show you that. There's your roof system. Everything's in brown for the next thing you got to do. It's real easy. So we got different roof systems. Again, we got a help me screen on the top. You can choose if you like. We've got trusses, dimensional, and TGI rafters. Let's go to trusses because those are kind of cool looking. I'm going to do that. We've got common trusses and scissor trusses. We'll do scissor trusses. I like those best. Now if we come down the command line, it asks you top chord pitch, first number only. Now you can have 412, 512, 612, or 4.1, any combination. But I've kept it basically 4.1, or 0.1 is all you're going to use. But we'll use a 7.2 top chord pitch. And we're going to zoom out here so you can see this happen. Oh, not really. Now it asks you for the overhang. And I'm going to put a 30-inch overhang on there. Now it should draw it for you. There we go. There's your top chord. Now, since it's a scissor truss, it wants to know the bottom chord pitch. We're going to go to a 312. And we'll zoom out so you can see it. There's your bottom chord. Now you have the option of any web angle you would like for the webs. And I'm going to pick a 30-degree web angle. And we'll zoom out so you can see and draw those in. Pick any web angle you want. It's accurate, totally accurate. Can't get real good here, but when you zoom in on this thing, it's completely accurate to the 7 places to the right of the decimal point. Okay, now the next thing we do, and it's just about the last thing we do here because it's all automatic, is we're going to pick if we want soffit or batch, or soffit or blocking, excuse me. So that's your next step. Again, it's in brown, so you know what to do next. You can have 1/2-inch rough text, 5/8 rough text, T&G soffit, or a stucco soffit, or you can go to just a regular old bird block with screen vent holes. But we're going to go to a T&G. Okay, and I'm going to come back over here, and it's going to be hard for you to see, but what it does is it will place a T&G soffit in there, and it will extend the log siding up to the T&G soffit. And here we go. That just did it. There you go. And it's coming back over here. That side's done. Your cross section has a cross section name on it. It has your up chord pitch, lower chord pitch. It has all your notes for your footing, stem wall, wall insulation, siding, all of your floor information, and it is ready to go, all drawn in 1/4-inch scale.